Alright, what is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. I'm going to do a cold start video here. 1999 Cub Cadet HDS 2135. First, let's check my gas. Still got plenty in there. And before I do start this, I got a little addition for my mowers. Of course, yeah, that tire is bad. Won't stay aired up. But luckily, the other side did. This one, my 1976 John Deere 300. Obviously, it too has a flat tire. Okay. Mid throttle there. Yeah, you're gonna start smoking. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Wow, wow, wow. Holy cow. Cool. Thanks for watching. Before I go, I just want to remind y'all that Jesus loves you and God bless.